Today, we're going to talk about my favorite productivity tool, Trello, and take a look at 5 of the best power-ups it has to offer. I love Trello so much that I created a course all about how I use it and how to use it with an exec. You can find a link to that in the video description. Let's start with the first power-up we're going to discuss today, and that's Cardbox, and a big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. With this awesome power-up, you can integrate your Gmail and Trello, effectively turning your Trello board into a one-stop task management system. This will absolutely revolutionize the way you communicate with your team or clients and really streamline your processes, with no more going back and forth and switching between different platforms, because now you have the ability to use Gmail from within Trello. To integrate Cardbox, search for the Gmail by Cardbox PowerUp and click on the Add button to enable the integration. Then connect your Gmail accounts with Cardbox to begin syncing. The PowerUp syncs both ways, so you can see the changes in your Gmail account as well as on your Trello board. View, respond, edit, compose, and more, all from within your Trello cards with no need to go back to your Gmail. This is what makes Cardbox such an effective time-saving tool. You can action everything through your Trello board. You'll also see any changes in real time. Open a Trello card and use the Attach button to add an email to the card. You'll also have the option to assign your team members as required for further action. Create new Trello cards directly from your emails, or attach important threads and conversations to existing ones. By organising your emails according to specific Trello cards and boards, you can keep track of your tasks and deadlines effectively and efficiently. With Cardbox, you can also download attachments to your Trello cards, which is super handy for when you're asked to locate an email attachment. Cardbox has a free plan available for personal use, which permits up to 3 boards with 2 inboxes. This power-up is the ultimate way to consolidate your communication and optimize your workflow. Next up, we have Google Drive. By using the Google Drive power-up, you can attach your files and folders inside your cards, ensuring that everything stays in one place and allows you to edit and create documents efficiently for your team. You have a choice between either copying and pasting the direct file link into your card, or you can create and attach a document from the card itself. It'll show you a thumbnail of the Google Drive attachment so you can easily see which one is which. Now let's talk about the voting power-up. This power-up simplifies communication by allowing you to collect votes on each of your Trello cards, enabling you to plan upcoming projects, prioritize workload, and gain feedback. Votes are tallied up and added as a badge to the card, so you can see the overall result without having to click into the card. If you want more information, you can see a summary of the votes in the details. Moving on, we have Slack. The Slack power-up is a game changer, allowing you to send your Trello cards straight to whichever Slack channel or DM that you wish from within your Trello card. Not only that, but you can also receive notifications and reminders about your Trello board within the Slack channel of your choosing. You can assign your Trello board to a specific Slack channel that is specified right on the board, enabling your team to be kept updated smoothly without directing them to multiple boards or channels. And last but not least, Calendar. Super easy to set up, this power-up will show your deadlines in a visually helpful way, turning your due dates into a calendar. While you're in this view, you can see your assignments, move them around to other due dates, and see their corresponding labels. You're also able to export your board's calendar to other third-party calendars with each board's uniquely generated iCalendar link. Let's quickly go through just how easy it is to add a power-up to your Trello board. Simply go to your menu by clicking on the 3 ellipses in the top right-hand corner and select PowerUps. You'll then be able to see the featured PowerUps, use the search function for specific ones, or browse the categories. If you're looking to learn more about Trello and all its awesome features, I've got just a resource for you. My Trello course gives you real-life examples of how to use the platform to maximum effect, whether you're working solo or as part of a team. The details are linked in the video description below. All the power-ups I've covered today are completely free, so what are you waiting for? I hope you love all of these great Trello power-ups as much as I do. If you want more EA How-To goodness, be sure to check out EA How-To Plus. It's everything you love about EA How-To on steroids. Bye for now. I'll see you in the next video.